So now the active follow tracker is on him, and the good thing is it keeps its distance. Don't hit it, don't hit it. No, don't do that. Come on, be nice to Neil. And it will follow him and keep a distance as long as he stops. So it's good for safety at least. You know, it's not going to run into anything, even though it's one of those drones that doesn't have the capability of accident collision. Okay, stop, don't run, don't run. Stop, stop, stop. Stay there, turn around. Tell it stop. Whoa!
No.
Okay, run, 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 let's go. Yo!